Let me explain to you a concept of attention restoration. Our mind has evolved as a free entity, and it has always disliked you to concentrate on something. So a lot of times when we're doing some cognitive functions and then we want our mind to concentrate on a particular thing, it doesn't like it. And it keeps flying out of the window on a regular basis. And here, there is a concept of attention restoration. Attention restoration, where we find nature is the best technique. Of course, meditation and other tools are there which disciplines your mind. But then I think the soft fascination provided by nature is considered to be one of the easiest and most effective attention restorer. So spend some time in nature, and then the soft fascination that you get from there, the mind concentrates better, and you can have more productivity coming out and less of fogging, fatigue and stress in your cognitive functions that you would have. Be sensitive of this attention restoration. It does work.